What's going on, guys? Oahu RC bringing you another unboxing. Today we have the ARRMA FIRETEAM6. This is the ready to run, the BLX version. It's got a handbrake and everything. This thing looks pretty dang sweet. It's pretty similar to the ARRMA Creighton and Italian, kind of like that. So we're gonna pop this open and get it unboxed for you guys, get it outside, let you see the first run. Let's get into it. Woo. Look at that, guys. We went with the white version. Since so many of my ARRMA vehicles are black, we decided to go with the white one. Of course, we got our transmitter. This looks to be the SLT3, so not the nice DX3. It's still a good remote, but not great. We also got our instruction manual, high-speed gearing, and all that good stuff in there. Here it is, the FIRETEAM6. Woo-wee! Would you look at that thing? Wow. This thing is a lot cooler than I actually thought it would be, guys. Look at our little dudes in there. It's our little hula. Hi, little hula. Dang. This thing looks sweet, guys. Tires are nice and supple. Some good traction on there. Hell yeah. We're gonna pop the hood and see what's... Oh, look, they got guns. Huh. No way. That's so cool. I didn't realize they had guns. That's sweet. All right, guys, so to pop the hood, it's one clip on the front, and you got two on the back here. And then just lifts right off. That's pretty cool. Look at all the bracing and stuff they got up in there. Very cool. Look at that. Nice and clean and fresh. So as you can tell, it's basically the same setup as your Creighton, Italian, and Notorious. You got your steering servo, receiver box, battery tray. You got your ESC, your motor, and it looks like they give you a heat sink and a fan on here, which is really nice. Motor's in there. And then back here, this is your handbrake servo, which is going to be pretty fun to mess around with. You got this little, right here is your handbrake button. So that's going to be fun. We're going to figure that out and test it out for you guys. One thing I'm not too sure about are these plastic little side railings. They're pretty flimsy here. I don't know how well those are going to stand up. We'll see. There's the bottom. Nice. Don't have any writing on the chassis, which is kind of nice. I kind of like to have it just nice and clean. Wow, guys, look at that thing. Beautiful. We have the ARRMA FIRETEAM out and about. We're at our little testing grounds up here at our park. We're gonna get her going for you guys and see how she rips. Let's get to it. Wow, this thing is fast, guys. Oh no, yes. Well, that was something, huh, guys? Surprised this body, man, can actually take a beating. Ooh, got some nice grass up in there. Nice, guys. ARRMA. Handbrake? Ooh. This handbrake is really cool, guys. So you handbrake. That's so cool. So the handbrake, you just press this little button right here. I've ripped a few tires over here, so I'm not gonna rip it too hard on this loose dirt on the concrete. Man, this thing is fun, guys. Jesus. So the only thing I did do, guys, was I did put the punch settings all the way up to 9. It comes stock at level 4, so it's really easy to do. I'll probably make a video on how to do that with all the ARRMAs. Honestly, a lot of people do not know how to do that, but it's pretty simple. It's just on the ESC. So that's the only thing I did do to it. Of course, I adjusted the shocks and whatnot, but other than that, guys, completely stock FIRETEAM, and this thing rips. I mean, jeez, guys, look at that. Made marks on the concrete. This thing just flies. Jeez. I would compare it to the Italian. Wow. We already got some nice scratchage up there. Hell yeah, guys. This thing is a beast. That handbrake is just too much fun, guys. So ready, and handbrake. This thing does still wheelie like a champ, I must say. Woo! What do you think, guys? Should we try to hit our ramp here? I think we should try it. Let's try set it up. Alrighty, guys, here we go. First jump with the FIRETEAM. Hopefully we don't wreck horribly. Beautiful. We're looking all good, guys. Just take a quick peek. Aside from some leaves and dirt, that thing took it like a champ. I wasn't too sure how well this thing would do in the air and whatnot. Not too sure about the backflips, but it definitely jumped straight. Definitely jumped straight. I don't know if I'm gonna attempt a backflip or not here. I wonder what the handbrake in the air would do, only stopping the back 2 wheels. I wonder what that does. Let's try it, eh? Definitely levels it out a lot more. That is cool, guys. That handbrake is so fun to use. You can really turn corners easily. Handling is good. This car is so much fun. I have a huge smile on my face, guys. This thing is great. I got some watchers. Got a different angle here for you guys. Dang, guys, this thing handles it. Dang, guys, this thing is so sweet. That smack though, guys, sounds so good. Ooh. Alrighty guys, there you have it, man. The ARRMA FIRETEAM6 in all of its glory. This thing absolutely rips. It might be my new favorite ARRMA. I'm gonna have to see how she does on the back flips and whatnot, but I might do that on my other ramp where I have kind of a better landing. We'll see how it goes. Woo. There she is, guys. Wahoo RC brought you another unboxing, another first test run, and as you can see, this thing's an absolute beast. We will catch you guys in the next one.